Welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing this eBay Nascar Diecast mystery box. So let's get straight into it. So this was 20 bucks. I won it in an auction, and I think it's gonna be worth it. I hope it is. I mean, there wasn't much at stake, but 20 bucks is 20 bucks. And this is a big box too. It's so heavy. I wasn't expecting it to be this big. This is interesting. Got bubble wrap. Nascar Bashers? I don't know what. Bashers, that's what it means. I'm gonna slide this over. Okay, and then here is this. So, there should be like 40 cars or something in here. That's what it said. You have this, Racing Champions. So each of these probably cost me around 50 cents. Got this one, which is broken. That's disappointing. Right there. You got this. This is how it looks right now. Got this right here. This one looks pretty cool. Turtle bun. Another Racing Champions, which there's a lot of these in there. Morgan Shepherd. And then we got a Supercar collectible. Then right here we have a Hot Wheels Racing, like bass boat right here, Kyle Petty. This is interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. Another Racing Champions. A Bigfoot 4x4 metal diecast. That's what it says. Morgan Shepherd. Racing Champions. 50th anniversary. There's like a bag in there full of stuff, so that's interesting. Got this one. Randy LaJoy. Jerry Naduti. Nadiu, something like that. Derek Cope, 82. It's like a gold. I'm kind of dead right now because I'm filming this late at night. Kirk Milne, 25. Racing Champions. Ted Musgrave. Got a Jeff Gordon. Stock car. Napa Permo car. Stub Fadden. Some of these names kind of sus, to be honest. Terry Labonte. $10 to be 50% of this box. Destroyed Diecast Hot Shots, whatever this is. And this box is getting interesting now. Now we're 7 minutes in. There's probably going to be like no cutout edits to this because it's basically me just being completely dead, showing off some cars. Exotic Batteries Racing. Number 7 car. Racing Champions, Warren Johnson. This one's one of the cooler looking ones. Racing Champions, 81. Kenny Wallace. New Pontiac, Larry Pearson. I've been looking on the backs of these. See what the name is. Buckshot Jones. It's definitely one of the cooler ones. That one's cool. Ooh, this one's colorful. Jeff Gordon. We tried selling these, but it didn't work out so well. I could see why. Halloween Havoc 57. Don't even know who it is. Oh wait, it says the name's right there. I don't know who that is. That one's cooler. Oh, yes. That's quality right there. 17 Durwall Trip. That one's cool. Oh, another one. Same exact thing. Let's see what we got in here now. We just got this random bag. And then that. Classic cars. Now I'm guessing this was included in 40 cars. It's cool. Yeah, I don't know. So, I mean, overall, is the price there? Yes, this was definitely worth it. But is the quality there? Like, these cars is worth it. 20 bucks for 40 cars. Well, technically, probably like 30 closed. Is it worth it? Yes. Is the quality there? No, it's not. It's really not. It's not there at all. So, I'd rate this probably a 6 out of 10 on our little mystery box scale, but thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Have a fantastic night, or morning, whatever time it is.